I've got this error here on Capcut, that is no internet connection. I'm going to show you how you can fix this. Firstly, what you're going to do is just exit the Capcut app from the app switcher. Just exit it, and then from your home screen, just long tap on Capcut and tap on this I button, that is info. And on the app info page of Capcut, tap on storage, and we're gonna tap on this option here, clear cache, at the bottom right side. Okay, the cache has been cleared. Let's go back. Now we're gonna go to Play Store and search for this VPN here. That's free Urban VPN. This one here, Urban VPN Proxy Unblocker. After the installation, just open it and allow all the permissions that the app wants for the first time, and do all the necessary settings in order to use this app. After you have successfully landed on this screen, just go to Locations tab. Now select any location from here besides your own country or region. Let's choose Australia for example. It has now been connected to Australian server. Let's go back. And we're gonna try to launch Capcut once again back. Now tap on settings at the top right side, scroll down, and here's some cache. We're gonna clear this, confirm. So the cache has been cleared. Now launch any project that you had saved before. Now we're gonna try to apply the filters, and it's loading properly, as you can see. So that's how we have solved this network error problem on Capcut. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.